This is the PureAir Sense fan from Vent-Axia, and one of the benefits of installing it in your bathroom is that it's easy to clean. It's important to keep your Extractor fan clean to ensure that you have free airflow and so that the fan performs optimally. To clean the PureAir Sense, simply turn it off at the bottom and wait for the impeller to stop. Unclick the front of the fan to give you free access to the ducting. Clean it with a dry microfiber cloth. You're also able to remove the impeller from the front of the fan and clean this to remove any grease and dirt. Simply put the fan back together, click back to the front and turn the fan back on.